Oh my God, look. Scooter's home.
Who's Scooter? Is it a little Scooter thing when you do the first thing?
No, Scooter was my so-called best friend. And speaking of him, you kind of look like his wife, but at least you look like a female. His wife looks like a dude.
You want me to throw you to the pond, you French fuck?
First of all, you couldn't catch me if I went and you, after a block, you'd be like...
Or do you want me to send you to Paris, goddammit? Yes, I'll do it to you. This is what I would do to you. Take you there, man. What's next? Just scare me now, you fuck?
No.
Why you walk away?
All I have to do is bribe you with food. Look, this is Carl's Jr. right there.
Huh? And you said Carl Jr. Help me.
Or
right,
you're really hungry. I'll shoot a duck and you could eat the duck from there. Oh my God, look, duck for you. I could kill a duck and you'd be hungry. You wouldn't be hungry anymore.
Now you're animal hatred too? Oh my God. Fuck you, Brainwood Paris. Duck is one of my country's favorite food. I'd rather eat ducks than a fucking snail, like you. Unlike you eat raw snails, you motherfucker.
Well, you guys eat raw duck all the time. I see it.
No, we cooked it. We roasted. Unlike you eat raw. And Paris, motherfucker. That's where you came from.
First of all, it's not Paris. It's Paris. It's Paris, France, the home of the French. Who are better cooks than you guys?
I'm sorry. This is America, not a French. God damn it, motherfucker. Oh my God.
The only good thing about America is you can actually, there's nothing good about America.
Oh my God, then why you live here?
The home of pollution.
No.
Oh my God.
How can a snake be angel? I got you out. He's already out.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm thinking maybe you and Scooter can be like father and sons. God damn it.
Hell no. I actually take a shower unlike Scooter.
Yeah, like you and your people, like the people in the beer. God damn it.
Hey, at least we can actually speak proper English and actually graduate from education. Look at your educational system in America. It's horrendous. You got people graduating from high school who can't even say the alphabet. That's embarrassing.
Hey, that's you. You can speak properly too. Look at you, dude.
But at least I can say my ABCs, unlike some people I know.
Well, you're the one who had little kids earlier. You're the one who said cuss words. So you're the one who say it. You're the one who's being asshole.
Oh my. Oh, some people are leaving and shit. Everybody wants their Burger King. Holy shit. Hey, close the door. He's coming in. All right, good luck, man. All right.
He's scared of you. Very scared. You just punch him and punch him down. Hey! 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 No, don't shoot me. I just start running like this. I just start running like this. Stop.
Out of the car?
Yeah, I got everything.
Do this.
Hey, Maria.